There are people who still don't know why birds standing on electric overhead cables don't get electrocuted. There's people who still don't understand why. And the simple reason is these birds are at zero potential. It means for them to be electrocuted, they must connect to either ground or neutral. But if they just stand on that line, power line, they are at zero potential. Even a human being, you can hang on live wire and not be electrocuted so long as you don't touch the ground or the neutral.